Hi, I'm Madeline Cole, and this is my submission for the week 6 final project. So we're asked to create the war card game. And first in this game, we needed to create a card class. And in that class, the first thing we did was add our card values, which range from 2 to 14. 2 represented by 2, and then ace represents 14. And it also prints out information about the card. And the second thing we were asked to do is to put our card names. So we have the clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. Then here are our getters and setters for this card class. And next we were asked to create the deck class, where first we added our list of cards, and then we called the shuffle method to shuffle the cards over 52 iterations, and the draw method to draw the top card from the top of the deck. And we were asked to create another class called player. So in this class, we were asked to create another list of cards for our hand. So here's our list of card. And we were then asked to set the score to 0 in the constructor, and to also set the name. Next, we needed to print out information about the player and then make sure we call the describe method. So we have that here. And here is our information about the players. Next, we needed to remove and return the top card of the hand. So we're doing that using the flip method and hand.get. Then we needed to add the return card to the hand field. So we draw and then we add it back to the hand field. And then we needed to make sure the score incremented by 1 point. So we have increment score, and it will be incrementing by 1 point. Next, we needed to create the class app and make sure it was a main method. So we have that here. First, we needed to instantiate a deck. We have that there, and then call the shuffle method on the full deck, which we did here. Next, we needed to create a for loop iterating 50 times throughout the deck and calling the draw method. So here's our draw method, and it will iterate through 52 times. And then we needed to create another for loop, iterating 26 times through our deck using the flip method. Next, we needed to use the increment score method, which we did right here, on the player whose card has the higher value. And after our loop, we compare the final score from each player, and then we'll print the final score of each player. So let's go ahead and run this to see what we get. All right, here is our print to our console stating player Shaggy has 0 points, which we needed to state at the beginning. And it goes through, runs through all 26 cards in their hand. And next is our player number 2, which is Scooby, starting at 0 points. It runs through all the cards in their hand, 26 cards. And then it says their Shaggy's final score is 10, Scooby's final score is 16, so Scooby wins this round. And that is all that I have for this week's project. Thank you so much.